I want you to look at the pictures, and you have to pause it, and look at these figurines. Put in the comments, what do you think the connections are? Children, I have been entrusted with the onerous responsibility of informing you why it is not smart to be in any gang that does not agree with me. No, seriously though. Long ago, there were real revolutionaries that defended their area. They held the line. And when psychiatry started pushing the line harder to make them fall in line, some of them fought to the death. God bless their souls. A moment of silence for all of them, the realest gangsters in history, in American history at least. Okay. Now one must consider who was left. People who had families, or whatever reason. Some were greedy. And that's where we are today, children. There's real gangsters, but we're being held back by the New World Order. And I assure you it is real. There's a criminal structure to society, and it extends to the streets. Think of it as upstairs and downstairs. Downstairs are the secret societies, behind the scenes, watching, on camera, the dice game, the gambling, the prostitution, the racketeering. They're using their surveillance and their FBI, CIA contacts, which are really from the same kind of Masonic structure, to coerce, blackmail, and bribe to make more money and to make sure the game goes smoothly. Over the years, they've let more and more gangsters and people in different corporations in on the hustle and given them a piece. I am a prince of light, and they are in the process of setting me up right now, especially because I highlighted that they didn't set me up. There were some bullets, left in a package, and I touched it to open it because it was by my package on the table. And I believe right now they could be attempting to plot to use that to coerce me. I care not. I'm going to tell you like this. Let them come. Download my videos. All that matters is that everyone understands that I was the top martial artist and the deeper implications of it for our people. Thank you.